What triggers an IRS audit? There's multiple criteria IRS has to select a return for an audit. Here's a couple common examples for you to understand. The first is if you receive W-2 or 1099 income and fail to report that on your income tax return. There's multiple reasons you might receive a 1099. For instance, if you are a contractor and you provide services to somebody, you're going to get a 1099 miss. It's also now called a 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation. Another way is if you sell real estate and receive gross proceeds from escrow, you're going to get a 1099-S. And if you receive a distribution from a pension or retirement account, you're going to get a 1099-R. And failing to report that income on an income tax return will definitely increase the risk of an IRS audit. Another way is if you file an amended return and request a refund. Now, a third way is if you have a company and you receive Visa, MasterCard, or American Express payments, you're going to have a merchant service provider, and that merchant service provider will give you a 1099-K every year. And if the income you report on your business tax return is less than the amount on the 1099-K, this may indicate that you're underreporting income. There's a lot of reasons that these two numbers might be different, but you should definitely explain this on your income tax return, otherwise it will increase the risk of an IRS audit. The fourth way is if you have a company that reports a loss year by year, and it's been more than a year and you're still reporting loss in year 2 and 3. This may indicate that you're either underreporting income or overstating expenses, or potentially you have a business that the IRS deems to be a hobby. So what is a hobby? A business should have the intent to make a profit, and a hobby is not really a business that intends to make a profit, such as horse breeding, or if you place an aircraft that you own in an LLC and report some income, but generally it has a loss year by year. So if you are contacted by IRS, you're going to need to establish that it's a legitimate business, that you are attempting to make a profit. You have advertising, you have clients, you have the normal activities that a real business will have. If you get selected for an audit and you receive a letter from IRS, contact a qualified tax attorney before responding to IRS. You want to make sure that you have all your records prepared and a legal defense before communicating with IRS. I'm John Milikowski, founder of Milikowski Tax Law. We keep businesses in business.